guys, Rupa here with 6 simple steps on how I cut my laundry folding time in half. If your clean clothes pile up just as much as your dirty clothes do, this video is for you. Like many of you watching, I dread folding laundry. Here are a few things that I've learned to do to help laundry folding suck a little less. Step number 1, fold a few loads of laundry at a time. This could be hard if you do laundry sporadically throughout the week, but if you're able to knock out a few loads on the same day or couple of days, hold off on folding until all of those loads are done. I try to do all of my loads of clothes at once. So that's lights, darks, and whites, for example. And then all of my other loads like towels, blankets, sheets, etc. another time. Step number 2, dump it all out. Folding directly out of the laundry basket is inefficient. Like Marie Kondo recommends, start by putting all of your laundry in a pile, somewhere clean and easily accessible. I like to clear off our bed and start there. Step number 3, don't forget the entertainment. This step will not actually save you any time, but it'll definitely make the time feel like it's going by faster. Whether you want to listen to music, audiobooks, or your favorite podcast, turn something on that'll help transport your mind to a better place. Step number 4, sort your clean laundry. Just like you sort your dirty clothes before washing, sort your clean clothes before folding too. It might feel like you're adding an extra step, but being organized before starting any project is key. I sort our laundry by person, and I'll tell you why. So many times I would start folding laundry, randomly pulling clothes out of the laundry basket and making a ton of piles on my bed, but then I'd be interrupted and unable to finish before bedtime. So then guess what happens to all of my piles? They go right back into the laundry basket. And then I'd have to start the process all over again the next time I found the time and energy to fold laundry. No thanks. So I keep a couple of empty laundry baskets next to me, and as I start pulling clothes from my pile, I immediately start putting all the kids' clothes in one basket and my husband's clothes in another basket. I focus on folding just my laundry first. Step number 5, fold and organize. I sort, fold, and organize my clothes into piles based on where I'm gonna put them away. So like all my hanging clothes go in one pile, all my t-shirts, workout pants, jeans, etc. Everything that has its own place has its own pile. And finally, step number 6, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to get done. So this last step is just a reminder that your actual folding doesn't have to be perfect. We are busy working parents, and we do not always have the time to make sure the insides of our drawers look pretty. I fold my clothes quick and efficiently, and once I'm done folding and sorting all of my clothes, I put them away immediately. Only then do I start on the kids' clothes, and only if I feel like I have enough time to get through the whole process without interruption. And at this point, if I'm interrupted and have to stop, I at least feel good knowing that I won't have to start completely over again. That's it, guys. I hope you found my tips helpful, and I know many of you are probably better at folding laundry than I am, so drop a comment below and let me know your process. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check back next week for a new video. Thanks for watching.